Good morning and happy Tuesday. It's 4 a.m. and I'm up even though I went to bed just 2 hours ago because I had a coughing fit and my sleep woke me up, and it was the most excruciating pain, like in the top 5 of my whole life. It felt like all my stitches on the outside and inside, everything felt like it just split wide open from coughing. It hurt so bad. And I didn't know what to do, but had some applesauce, found my cough drops. I'm trying to recover from that. But oh boy, that was scary. So I'm back up and I'm finishing editing yesterday's video because I never posted it even though I filmed it. So I'm gonna try to get that finished, and then I guess maybe I'll edit this one or I'll save it for later. I don't know. I just don't want to go through that pain again. I think I'm going to be popping cough drops like they're candy. That was not fun at all. Okay. Well, okay. I'll see you on the flip side. Peace out.